Good morning. This is Vijay from Freedom Influencer. Today we are going to talk about what is the right food, what is the kind of food I should eat so that I'm free from 3Ds, disease, drugs, and depression. If you eat the kind of right food and at the right time, then you are free from all the lifestyle diseases, be it your high blood pressure, be it your diabetes, be it your stroke, be it your heart problem, or be it your fourth stage cancer. Yes, I'm telling you, or I'm talking about deep diet. That is whole food, plant based food if you eat. That is fruits and vegetables in raw form if you eat. It's a 50-year-old science. It's not Vijay Vadakbalkar telling from his own mind, dear friends. It's a science by none other than Dr. T. Colin Campbell, the scientist and the author of China Study, which says that if you eat vegetables in raw form, then through the chlorophyll content of the vegetables, you get enough amount of nutrients, including calcium, for the body. And if you, let's talk about what you should not eat. According to deep diet or according to whole food plant based, you should not eat any animal products, including milk, my dear friends, is an animal product. Milk products are to be also excluded. So, uh, what is the quantum? What is the quantum of food that one should eat? Say, for example, if your weight is 70 kilos, then you need to eat 700 grams of raw vegetables. And how should you eat? You should eat in between 8 a.m. to 12 a.m. only fruits. How much fruits? If your weight is 70 kg, 700 grams. Any amount of regional local fruits. Bananas is the cheapest you can take. Lots of energy and calcium, potassium is there in banana. Immediate source of energy, banana you get. You eat 3 to 4 kinds of papaya, banana, then these lemon, oranges, Mosambis. You eat all kinds of fruit, 3 to 4 kinds of different colored fruits between 8 a.m. and 12 a.m. At the noon, during lunchtime, eat plate number 1, plate number 2. Plate number 1, raw vegetables. How much? During the whole day, you have to eat 700 grams if you are 70 kgs. So during lunch, you have to eat 350 grams. My friends, if you find 350 grams is too large a quantity, start with 100 grams. But start. And that should be plate number 1. You know, today you are eating the salad. So much quantity of salad you are taking. What good it will do? What nutrients it will reach? You require large one plate. Plate number 1 should be only consisting of salad. Make the salad tasty. Take palak, take onion, take cucumber, take tomato, take whatever form of vegetables raw you can eat, you can put in the salad. Make it tasty. Take squeeze lemon piece, and you can even add a small pinch of salt and make your salad absolutely tasty. and take the salad as plate number 1. Then you can take plate number 2, whatever food you are eating, preferably avoid non-veg. Say you are non-vegetarian by birth, my suggestion to you would be then, if you are taking 80-20, that is 80% non-veg, 20% vegetarian, from today, give yourself 3 to 6 months time to reverse the gears. That means ultimate aim is to eat only 20% non-veg for test purpose. So you start reducing your non-veg items, and a day should come when you should eat only for test. 80 to 90% you should take vegetarian raw vegetables. It is said that by taking this kind of food, you can avoid all lifestyle diseases, or they reverse in a span of 72 hours in some cases to 3 months time you give yourself. And this is a science as stated in that China study book which I was referring to, Dr. T. Colin Campbell and his son in US. They are the author of this. And which is in India, there are so many doctors are also following this deep diet. And one such doctor is Dr. Bishwaruk Chaudhary, is my mentor. And I have freed myself from 3Ds, disease, doctor, depression. By following this kind of diet, friends, you will be amazed to know, and you will be glad to know, I lost 10 kilos of weight. I have lost 3 to 4 inches of my waistline. I am feeling so energetic. I am free from diabetes, hypertension, thyroid, and my frequency of gout attack has been reduced to once a year instead of once in 3 months. So friends, this kind of food becomes medicine, and then you don't need to eat medicine. As I was telling you, I am freed from all my high BP tablets. I am not taking any tablet for my diabetes now. No, 0 tablets, from 5 tablets a day to 0 tablets. You also can do it if you adopt this kind of food. So that Hippocrates had said, Hippocrates, the father of modern medicine, had said 2000 years back, doctors of the future will not treat human body with medicine, but food thy be your medicine. So, my friends, adopt this lifestyle, adopt this change in your food, and find the change in your health. Become energetic, become healthy, and till that, let's take a leave for today. Be happy, be grateful, give always thanks, and wait for my next video. Till then, don't forget to press the bell icon and like button, and refer the videos if you like to your friends and relatives until we meet with next video on the subject of health, financial freedom, and success. Thank you very much.